I'm the Revd Dr. Leng Lim. The best tribute we can pay anyone is to imitate them, and in remembering our brother Desmond Tutu, the imitation for me is to imitate his prayer life. I had the privilege of visiting Brother Desmond and Mama Leah at their home in February of 2020 as a guest of Ubuntu Tutu, who's my friend. After we had lunch and we went home, our brother Desmond just disappeared. He disappeared to pray. And I learned later from Ubuntu that that's what he's been doing his entire life. He would leave meetings and appointments to go to a quiet room to say his prayers, and it was more than once a day. I haven't been all that regular in mine, and I'm taking on board this practice that the Archbishop had. You know, our brother, our father Desmond, prayed this way before he won the Nobel Prize, before he became an activist, before he became Archbishop, before he became Bishop, before he was priested. This prayer made him. I just realized that thinking about it. So the best tribute is to copy the person we admire and love. It has also been said so frequently now that Archbishop Desmond Tutu taught the world Ubuntu, this idea of humanity, that I am because you are. I want to say that Ubuntu made our brother Desmond Tutu. South Africa made him. He made South Africa, and South Africa made him. And he was a gift of Ubuntu to all of us. He was the gift of his ancestors and of his teachers, black and white. He was the gift of Ubuntu, and he was a gift to us of his long 60-plus year marriage with Leah Tutu and his 50-plus years as a father and as grandfather. He was the gift of Ubuntu to us. So on this day, as we mourn and celebrate his passing into the hands of the beloved Holy One, God and Christ, I feel an invitation that we are asked also to take on the practice of Ubuntu and to receive Ubuntu and to receive Desmond into our hearts, our friend, brother, father, bishop. May he rise in glory. Amen.